The U.S. Supreme Court is considering a case that could fundamentally transform abortion rights in America. It is being asked to overturn the Roe v. Wade ruling. On Wednesday, the U.S.'s conservative-leaning court heard arguments on the Mississippi law, which seeks to ban abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. The Mississippi law was passed in 2008. It has no exceptions in cases of rape or incest and was immediately blocked by two federal courts that held it was contrary to the Roe v. Wade ruling. The landmark 1972 ruling case that established women have a constitutional right to get an abortion. At present, both sides of the debate regard the Mississippi case, known as the Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization, as an all-or-nothing fight over the abortion rights.
I think that the issue is one of choice, that women should have a choice to terminate their pregnancy. That supposes that there is a point at which they've had the fair choice, opportunity to choice. And why would 15 weeks be an inappropriate line?
The crucial ruling is expected to be out in June. However, during the Wednesday hearing, Chief Justice John Roberts seemed to be pushing for compromise. Let Mississippi enact its law that bans most abortions after 15 weeks with limited exceptions, but stop short of completely striking down Roe v. Wade. Lawyers defending the Mississippi law have asked the court to overturn two previous landmark decisions regarding abortion, one of which is the 1973 decision that gave women the right to have an abortion up until the fetus is viable, which can happen around 24 weeks into the pregnancy, and another 1992 ruling in Planned Parenthood versus Casey, which reaffirmed Roe. Another narrative that dominated the Wednesday hearing was that abortion rights is an issue for states to decide and not the court.
The Constitution places its trust in the people. On hard issue after hard issue, the people make this country work. Abortion is a hard issue. It demands the best from all of us, not a judgment by just a few of us. When an issue affects everyone, and when the Constitution does not take sides on it, it belongs to the people.
Abortion is a sensitive issue in the United States. It is an issue that stretches through America today and back to several dates. It has played a crucial part in politics. While judges debate inside the courtroom, hundreds of protesters, both pro-life and pro-choice, gathered outside the Supreme Court building in Washington.
If the South does not have abortion access, no one has abortion access. Abortion is integral to upholding systems that oppress women. We must empower women and
I'm very frightened about I do believe that many of us will go back to coat hangers and back alleys. Women will find ways to terminate pregnancies. And when we make that illegal, women will go back to desperate ways. Some women will be able to access the medications that allow them to safely terminate a pregnancy, but I'm afraid that many more women and girls will be in back alleys with coat hangers. I worry we're going to find them on country roads, dead.
The stakes are high as a dozen states have trigger laws on the books that would immediately ban abortions if the courts overturn Roe v. Wade. The hearing also comes at a time when most judges of the Supreme Court are conservative or anti-abortion. This is an opportunity seen by pro-life activists to end the abortion debate in their favor.
The court now has a 6-3 conservative majority, and that includes 3 appointees of President Donald Trump, who pledged to appoint what he called pro-life justices who would as he said, automatically overturn Roe v. Wade. And so those justices today were part of the conservative majority that seemed quite ready to uphold the Mississippi law and raise serious questions about the fate of the Roe and Casey decisions.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.